Hi everyone, welcome back to another painting video. Today I'm going to show you how to paint these northern lights using oil paints. And before starting to paint, I covered a 20 by 30 canvas in black gesso and let it dry. Here are my palette, brushes and oil paints. After the canvas is dry, you have to put a thin layer of liquid clear or linseed oil on your canvas. Here I used linseed oil because I didn't have access to liquid clear. And now wipe off the excess with a paper towel because it shouldn't be too oily. I'm gonna use these three colors for the northern lights: Magenta, Ultramarine blue and Virdian green. All you have to do is to put some of the color you want on the canvas in any area. Now you need titanium white. With a small fan brush, take some of that and paint the lines in the sky. Okay, it's time to create our light rays now. So we're going to use a 1-inch or 2-inch brush and very lightly just go from the bottom and streak upwards in a row. Don't overblend it, and also in between each brush stroke, wipe off your brush so that the excess color doesn't drag into the white. After you've made your first pass, go back with your titanium white again and repeat the lines to make the effect that you want on your canvas. And go back through with your cleaned 1-inch brush and gently blend it again. With a knife, make some dark color and paint the base of your mountain. We'll add the snows later. It takes very little paint because the canvas is already black. And now wipe off the excess dark paint from the canvas because you don't want to mix the excess dark paint with the white snow. Now with your clean knife, mix some white color with just a little bit of blue because the snow is not pure white, it has a little blue in it. Now take some of it right on the edge of your knife and with no pressure put it on your mounting. It's for the lighted area, you have to do it again for the shadow parts. For the shadow parts of the snow, you need to mix more blue with your titanium white. I used turquoise blue for that, and repeat the same process again for shadowy snows. Now take your 1-inch brush and gently lift upwards, following the angles. It will soften it and make illusion of the mist. And now we're going to paint the lake with 1-inch brush. Take some white color, we go from the top to bottom, then gonna fade it. And later, I'll paint the mountain reflection in the water. And also for the jungles far away, I'm gonna use small fan brush for doing the small movements. It's finished. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you again on the next tutorial, and until next time, take care.